The first step is to grab your mobile phone. Step 2. Watch the YouTube video. Third step. This is our favorite method to get paid with real money straight to your account. It's as easy as ABC. You need to look at the payments that have been made and stop whatever you're doing. $100, $200, even $500. Watching YouTube videos is all they do to earn this much. We have a method that's simple and time-saving, so our method today isn't complicated. It can be a wonderful method for those who are going to make a start. All those who are starting, you must go for it. Because it's a clear-cut method and you don't need to put much effort. A method that is without any investments, 100% authentic and free. It's available in most countries. To find out if it works for you or not, you need to try it out. Don't roam around and stick to it. Our method for today is a bit peculiar, corroborating to watch the entire video. If you don't want to enter the world of confusion, then don't skip any part. This will help you not to miss any important detail. Before moving forward, let us welcome some new viewers. You can also be a part of our family by subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell so that you can be notified of the next videos. Without any further talk, let's get to the work. To start the process, we want you to be on your default browser. Then proceed to type in followfast.com and hit enter on that. As soon as you do that, you should see this. As you can see, earn money liking pages and advertise your own pages. We won't be advertising pages because we are here to earn and we're gonna show you how you can do that exactly. How this website works is that you first join this website. It's free, so don't worry. Then you view pages, certain points, or watch YouTube videos. Then you can also use those points to advertise if you want, and you can cash it all out right away. Now let's quickly check out the payouts. So as you can see, there are so many earnings daily on here, and you're going to be part of them. You can also observe that these people came from absolutely over the world. So if you see your flag, maybe it's a sign that you should take this opportunity and try it out yourself. You can even cash out for different types of payment methods. No worries, because this website is everything that you need. Now let's go back to the homepage and proceed to join. So click on the join button, which you are going to find on the upper right of your screen. You will then be redirected here. We are in. You're going to provide your username, email, your password twice, your location, referral code. But you don't mind that, you don't need that. And then CAPTCHA. Once that's complete, just click on join. As soon as you click on join, you will automatically be sent to your account. But to be able to cash out your payment, you must confirm your email address so that you can cash out your payment. So make sure that you do that. Since we mentioned that this method accepts different payment methods, we want to know what your preferred payment method is. So leave a comment down below, letting us know. This is what the dashboard would look like. No need to worry because this method can actually be done on your phone too. So if you don't have a laptop or a desktop computer, you have no excuse at all. We know it all looks a little bit overwhelming and confusing right now. But don't worry, we are going to tell you what to click and what to do in a second. Now we want you to focus your attention on the YouTube button right here. YouTube place to be exact, and then click on. As you can see, all you need to do is a click play to watch the video. You can skip if you want to watch another video. All these videos have points of their own. Some have a lot, some have less. So it's up to you to choose which videos you want to watch and which videos you don't want to. You can then watch one video and then refresh to watch another video. So even earning on here is unlimited. This is why we love this website so much and we wanted to share it with you right away. Now note that you need to stay on the video for at least 35 seconds. So you don't even have to finish the video. To earn, you can just stay for 35 seconds and that's all. You will earn just from that. Now another trick that we can share with you is that you can actually watch 2 or 3 videos at the same time by opening them in different tabs, keeping them running for 35 seconds or so. In that way, you can earn 3 times more than you do on one video. To save data and time, which is another tip of ours, you can actually increase the speed of a video and you can lower its resolution to the lowest resolution. There is maybe automatic the way. That way you can watch more videos and earn up to 10 times more than you normally would. And one last thing, you can click on daily bonus right here. On this page is where you can get daily bonus points for completely free, and this is available every single day. You log in daily, you do 15 likes or hits, click the button down below to earn bonus points. There are even free points every hour, so every hour do 3 hits or likes to get an extra 25 points. So this method is so awesome because you get to earn as much as you want. You can cash out from anywhere and everywhere around the world and any payment method. It also makes a pretty good income stream, especially for beginners out there, and that is it. For that also, when it's time to cash out, you just click on this button to do that. So it will redirect you the cash out page. You will then see how much you can cash out and also choose your payment method to cash out your money. They have so many payment methods that you can choose from, which is an advantage. So if we were you, we try this method out today right away because you really won't lose anything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either, and make sure to click the notification. But besides it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you at the next one.